Check out this beautiful 1960 Chevrolet Impala convertible, dressed in Roman red, white and red houndstooth interior, white vinyl top, just beautiful. The Roman red paint has a very nice luster to it, as you can see from the reflection in the lights. This car has been beautifully restored and cannot have a lot of miles on it since it was restored. You can check underneath the hood. 348 tri-power, power steering, power brakes. The top is also power on this. Just a very nicely equipped car as well. Dual antennas in the back. The fender skirts in the back. Just stunning. You know how straight this is, up and down each side. Riding on the wide white walls. Just everything era correct about this. This is the way these cars would have rolled off the assembly line in Chevrolet back in 1960. Looking very original. Come and check out the interior. Dash is kept original. Gauges, radio. A beautiful steering wheel on these. Very, very nice car. Whether you want to get in it and drive it, show it off, have some fun with it, or if you want to take it to a local cruise in, roll in, or hey, you want to take this one and show it, you don't have to be ashamed at all. Very, very nice bright work. Chrome on the bumpers. Just everywhere you look on this car is very, very nice. If you'd like to check out the underside pics of it, the trunk, engine bay, all of those finished off just as nice as you see on the top here. Check out our still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. So take your time and look at them. I suppose there's a good 60 to 80 pictures on there for you to check out. We're going to fire it up here too, just a beautiful running car. Unfortunately, it's wintertime here in Minnesota, or we'd have this out on the road a little bit, seeing how it dries. But judging by the way it looks, sounds, this car's got to go down the road nice. Let's go ahead and fire it up here a second. I'm not gonna pump the gas or anything. I'm just gonna turn the key and should start right up. As you can see, very easy starting vehicle. Nice running car. Automatic transmission in it. Don't know if I had mentioned that earlier. See how nicely the door closes. How nice the fit is on that. Slip around to the back here. No crazy rumbles. Just what you'd expect out of a stock 1960 Impala. Again, check out the underside pics, any of the still pics of it, interior, trunk, engine bay. Those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Or if you'd like to inquire about this beauty, feel free to give us a call. 507-386-1726. And again, 1960 Chevrolet Impala convertible.